Welcome to the live stream, and we are live. Give me 1 second, plugging this mic in. I look like a mess. I am sick right now. It's been pretty bad the past few days. I'm trying to do better. Just drinking a lot of water, sleeping, and soup. It's a bit hard when I have a child running around too. I'm just thinking what I need to do. So I see nothing so far. We're still pretty bearish. Let's see. The charts honestly do feel like a lot right now. So I'm just gonna try to take it slow. We are filling a 15-minute zone above. A zone up here. Peter, I love seeing you. Put some music on my ears. 1 second. There it goes. Uh-oh. Good afternoon, Peter. So we clearly rejected a 15-minute zone above us. The zone also had initial balance inside of it. Typically, when I do see this happen, we'll just break through the zone to continue up. If we don't, we'll either chop or come down. So there's not too many things that can happen from here. My analysis, we have this big old gap. Let me see if there's news real quick, and that'll give me a lot more insight. Nice to see you again. Yeah, I hope you're suffering trading without me. I'm just kidding. Let's see, let me look up news real quick. I really do appreciate you showing up, it's awesome. Yeah, I don't think there's any news at all. 11, yeah, there's nothing. Zero news. I don't know if you traded today already, Peter. Okay, yeah, so my analysis looks like we're just going to keep going up here. We've had our healthy pullback already. And if we do come down, I'm not expecting us to come down for long because we have this huge gap of orders sitting here. And all these orders that are sitting in here, more than likely we're going to have a reaction. And on top of that, there's a 15-minute zone that's very clear right here, with initial balance right here. So like I don't think we're gonna drop. But anything can happen. These are all theories and hypotheses. I'm just right more often than not. But it's just because I show up so much, and you can do the same if you're showing up all the time. Saying this directly to you, Peter, I think what I have to do is I'm just gonna let 20 or 30 people in the mentorship for free just to have traction, and then start charging it after that, just so I can have some like a small community already. And I've noticed that the people that do come in, a lot of them fluster out because they don't want to show up for themselves. And I don't want to start running ads and pumping people in if I don't already have like a strong foundation. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. Thanks for telling me. Yeah, I should do it like less than a week. I just gotta recover from being sick. I'm gonna do it in my videos too. I was thinking of doing something crazy like 40 or 50 because I know a lot will fluster out. So I think it should be all right. I got my brother in the Discord too, so he'll help me like tell people like what they're doing wrong and whatnot. I'm also thinking about yeah. I helped some people out get into the mentorship, and like one guy, I don't know if you remember him. He just complained so much and cried about everything, and I gave him the mentorship for free at first. I was like, just pay me back, go get a job, like get your life together. And then he got a job. But just so you need to have more people in. But yeah, thanks for telling me. It just reminded me. Yeah, I tried to help some guy out. It just never works. Every time I try to give people free stuff. Cause like I did the 7-day free trial, But like I still just need a stronger foundation. So I'm gonna do that. I was thinking about also putting the course for free on YouTube in the meantime, and then just being like, hey, if you want to join the mentorship, you can come in. And the course just being like one long video. It's like the course that it's already in the WAP. The volume. Yes, then I did not have time. Thank you. That motivates me. Yeah, that's a good idea. Then I'm gonna do it then. I just started too, like early December. Then all the stuff that happened in my life, but like now it's time to go harder. Just lots of little roadblocks I had to get through, but my life foundation is stable now. That's good. The volume of new people will help bust your things. Yeah, I agree. I'm a little bit afraid of bad apples, but I think that's just the best way possible. Because the ones who like really appreciate the value and know how to apply the value will get really far. And like, just, you know, too, how easy this is when you show up. I don't know if you remember Adrian. He jumped to a different strategy just because he was lacking patience and whatnot. But I told him, like, just stick to one. Like, I don't care if it's me or anybody, just stick to one. And he ended up sticking to one strategy, and he's passing now. He's having some few drawbacks because I can't dissect his trades, but he is getting somewhere, which just shows like sticking to one strategy and focusing on one strategy. Like, this is just so easy. And typically when people have issues, it's always just limiting trades or limiting size. Like, it's not that complex. I see something here. I'm afraid to take it. I want like a lot more strength. Let's see where. Oh, it already got filled. So then I saw this one too. If we break above, I'll be interested in this play right here. But I don't think we're going to have that much strength going up. I doubt we will. Yeah, because this one balance is right here. The highest swing zone is right here. And the middle of the top of the 15-minute zone is right here. There's too many like bearish things for me to take this. We would need to bust through them all for me to take this. This might deliver though, just because where it's placed at. Let's see if it reached standard deviation. I don't think it did. Yeah, it did not. So the 15-minute zone that we're in, I believe it's already mitigated. Let's see. Oh, it's not the top. This is a 50% of the 15-minute zone. Not the top of it. There he goes. Yeah, but I believe it's already been mitigated. Because we already got 40% right here. And then we reached that 12.5% down here. Let's see. This play has lots of wishful thinking. So I'm more likely going to pass on this. I'm afraid we might just chop the rest of the session. I really hope we don't. Like, we're struggling to move up. Yeah, we've been struggling to move up. A lot of pullbacks. Now we just sit and wait. I'm gonna get some crackers. Give me 1 second. See the zone that delivered. I'm not surprised. I expected the zone to deliver because of the chop. So if you look at the 1 minute, the pattern that we're doing is up and down, up and down. This zone is in a perfect position for us to go up and down in. That's exactly what we did. Like we're struggling to go up, this is what I'm talking about. So our bounce just drop eventually. Typically in the situations, I say it again and again, we'll get a big movement of volume, and I can show you a clear example that it just happened. It's right here. You get all this chop, then a big move happens. Oh, it's funny how the big move was just a big chop. But so you get all this little chop, and then we're eventually gonna get a big move up or down. See, like you see it all right here. It always happens. Chop, and then big move, chop, big move. Now I think we're going to drop, and I will look for bearish plays. If I start getting indications that we are bullish, I'll start to look for bullish plays. But right now, I'm pretty bearish. I will believe that we're bullish if we break and hold this area above. Nothing too complicated. I'm just using these zones to determine direction, the higher time frame zones. I'm not marking out any 1 minute zones either. I'm just looking at the candles and how we're jumping around the EMA on the 1 minute. And to be fair, I traded the 1 minute for years. So like it's really easy for me to determine direction on the 1 minute. I've said this before too. The last few seconds on the 1 minute candles, you can see where it's going to begin to start pushing. So things are still pushing up. I'm still not fully convinced that we're bullish just yet. Just want to wait till we break the zone and get above. If we break this zone and get above, and we have a zone in here, I will take it. I like those a lot. This is 50% of the 15-minute zone, but the zone clearly got mitigated already. You can see right here, like this strong reaction, all the orders got filled. And then we're able to swim in the zone. Like the orders already got filled on the 15-minute. So I'm just gonna wait here. So yeah, the strength is coming. Remember I was talking about how there's chop, and then we get a big push. That's happening exactly. That was very predictable. Now I needed to hold above for me to want to find this bullish play. I'm really hoping that we pull back and then a play gets made for me to catch. Then I can take that play. Those are my favorite. Because it's just like a healthy pullback before going back up. It doesn't look like that's going to happen right here though. We'll see, we'll see. Only one candle has gone above so far. It's pushing pretty strong still. After this 1 minute close, I'll be able to know if we're gonna hold or not. Yeah, we're more likely just gonna get all this buffoonery around here. Oh, or not. That's good to see. That's really good to see. I love when things are very clear. That's awesome. Woo! The less I use my brain, the better. So like I said, I wasn't fully convinced that we're bullish just yet. We needed to break that zone and hold. We did not hold. I was assuming that we're just going to chop above, but since we dropped so hard, I hope we don't just chop in this area. Because we've done nothing but chop. I still think we're bearish. What is very clear that price action is so sloppy though. Like I know I'm not just sick. Like I know it looks so bad. I wonder how London was. Yeah, I have no belief that we're going to keep going up. We'll see. Let me make this zone green because it's definitely important. I really wanted this play too. Come on, buddy, drop already. I think I see something that I want to take. If we come back down. Yeah, I think I want to. Let's see if it forms out. I don't want to mark it out too early. Because this green zone needs to break still. Yeah, I don't want to mark it out too early. Just wait. Give a little bit more of a push down. Yeah, I'm not going to take it. There's just too much volume. It's scary. Yeah, I'm not taking that. This is what I was looking at right here. Was not online doing London today. Fair enough. It's cool that you have the ability now to trade any session you want because you understand. and you're able to trade both 15-second and 5-second time frames. Come on, don't chop. The 15 is better for London and New York. Yeah, I agree. If you trade the 15-second in New York, it feels like London because there's a lot less setups. You have to be a lot more patient. I love the 5-second on New York. There's so much opportunity. I have videos I never posted where I traded the 1-second and I was having $1,000 days. There's like too many setups on the 1-second. It's hard to distinguish what's good and what's not. Yeah, it's just not today. Yeah, dude, this session is nasty. This price action is so bad. I was afraid this was gonna happen. Like earlier, around like what, in about an hour ago, we had a chop chop chop, the big move, but the big move was just a big chop. Just like right now, we had a big move, but it's just a big chop. Trump later today. I hate news. Oh, I see something really nice. Oh, it caught my eye. Oh, it was really nice. I might just take this. I like this a lot. I still want to react to the zone. I'm going to rip my order off if I don't want to get a reaction. But I like this a lot. Give me that reaction. Come on. Come back down a little bit. Oh, no, I need a better reaction than that. No, I'm not taking that. No, I'm not. Yeah, never mind. I needed more like a clear reaction to come down. That didn't happen. I loved the candles leaving the zone. I love these candles. I wonder if it's gonna hold. I don't think it will. Oh, look. Oh, this is initial balance too. Tariff announcement to the rest of the world. That's crazy. I don't think you've participated during like when news is happening. I'm assuming you haven't, because like the times I'm telling you to trade are typically like around, not around these times. But it's, the volatility is insane. Like it is so crazy, especially on the 15-second. It is so crazy. It's basically what you're looking at now, like how we're flinging around, but it's just like it's moving, like it's really moving. And like, and people only trade news, which is crazy. There's this girl who she's very popular on social media. She only trades a 4-hour and she only trades news. And like she has a high win rate. It's pretty cool. Oh, thanks for telling me my time. I wonder where NQ and ES is gonna be at. You know what? I'm curious about something too. I haven't checked. We were just at all-time highs not too long ago. 3 p.m. Yeah, I think it's 3 p.m. because you're saying market close. Yeah, we were like at all-time highs not too long ago. Just having a good little reset. Yeah, right. Yeah, healthy pullbacks. Oops. I wonder if we might just keep pushing for the rest of the week and next week. There's nothing. All these plays too are graded so nasty. It's kind of scary. Cause I don't even know what's real. Okay, I do see something. Just gonna need it to tap and do other things first before I want to take it. Oh, it did tap. Okay. Because, all right. Let's see where standard deviation is at. Okay, okay. Everything looks good so far. Still unsure. Oh, okay, yep. Everything, all the requirements got hit. Not the most proper sweep. I'll take the risk on it. Yep. I like the pullback. It's healthy. Yeah, we might not even come back up. These 1 minute candles are really strong bearish now. Yeah. Yikes, we might not even come back up. We'll see. Since we pulled so far away, I want a little bit of a reaction before entering. If I get no reaction, I'm gonna rip my order off. Yeah, I don't think we're coming back up. Those candles are so full. These black candles right here. I kind of want to take a play in here, but it needs to be more clean. Uh, it's just not clean right now. It is going down again. It's a lot of bullshit. My hardest days are the days where I can't determine the direction. Come on. On the bright side, if we do come down, there isn't much holding us from coming back up. So we'll be able to find a zone if we do go down. But I'm just not sure. Boo. Boo and Q. Boo. Boo. Yeah. The zone I'm interested in, I just need a clear reaction to it too. I'm afraid I'm not going to get the reaction I want. We might just drop right here too. It's all this buffoonery. Boo. Come feel me. Come feel me. I don't like seeing pullbacks before my zone because it kind of tells me that I'm not going to get the pullback on my zone. But we've been chopping a bunch, so maybe it'll happen on the zone. Oh, let me. See, this is what I'm talking about. Let me get ready to take my order off. Okay, nice little reaction. Okay, give me a little bit more of a pullback. I'm not liking this. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. That's healthy. I like it. It's a good pullback. Oof. That's scary. I don't think I like this anymore. Oh, that volatility is so nasty. Oh, that volatility is so nasty. My stop's gonna get smacked, I bet. Oh, it is what it is. That's scary. What's what I get? We're trying to play in this chopping market. I like the reaction before entering though. Oh, that's scary. Yeah, it is what it is. Damn, we're busting all the way up. That got me. Yeah, it moved too much. I agree with you. I really liked the reaction before entering. I was like, oh, this is okay. And then it failed me. I was like, oh. Well, I think that concludes the session. I did not like how those candles were waking when I was in the zone. That was crazy. They were just like spawning in. The volatility just way too high. All right. I'm also sick, so everything just a lot slower to render in my brain right now. But I only lost like $102. It's on the copier though, so it's whatever. Alrighty. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining me. Hoping for a win tomorrow. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's keep doing what we're doing. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. I'm gonna do what I've been doing. It's been helping. I've just been sweating a lot. Like last night, it was so bad. But alrighty, T2IL, thank you so much. And if anybody is rewatching this, my quick analysis is I was uncertain about direction. I liked the zone I was going to take. We entered the zone with too much volume. I was too slow-headed to cancel my order. I let my order get filled, and then my stop got hit immediately. To do better, I would have taken my order off, seeing how much volume came into the zone, and then been more patient for something else. That did not happen. And I personally don't think that a play is going to pop up during the session, but sometimes plays happen the last 5-10 minutes before 11 o'clock when there is high volatility. But alrighty, thank y'all so much, and I'll T2YL. Thank you, Peter.